Hey guys, Andrew King here from AndrewDoesReviews.com. Welcome to my Entice review. I'm here inside the cloud-based system. Today I'm going to give you a full overview and a demo. I'm also going to show you what the pricing and upsells are and how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom-made juicy bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of Entice. Now, in a nutshell, Entice is a cloud-based system that is going to allow you to create quizzes, and using these quizzes you're going to be able to gather leads onto your email list. Now this uses the trending topics, so you're going to find trending topics on different social medias, and then you're going to be able to create content based on that trending topic and hopefully gather leads. Now you don't have to worry about hosting these quizzes because they will be hosted inside the website provided via Entice. So you're gonna get a full website that you're gonna create quizzes, and you're gonna send traffic to these quizzes and hopefully get some leads. So if you are interested, then stick with me during this review. I'm gonna break down everything for you. If you would like to pick up Entice anytime during watching this review video, just click on the first link down below in the description. Scroll down and click on one of these buttons, then you'll be taken to the sales page where you can scroll down and pick up your copy of Entice. Now you have to do that once this goes live, which is on the 19th of August at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Only then these buttons will be valid and the sales page will be live where you can pick up your copy. Now, bear in mind that you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear, and I don't want you to miss out on these bonuses. These are exclusive to me. They are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So bear in mind, if you would like access to my bonuses free of charge alongside your front end purchase, you would have to pick it up via my bonus page. My first bonus is going to be access to over 80 high quality lead magnets. Since you are planning on growing your email list, I'm just gonna give you an extra 80 high quality lead magnets. These are not PLR, these are courses and softwares that you can give away to your audience in order for you to get their email address. I'm giving you this as my first bonus. My second bonus is going to be access to my paid traffic courses collection. Now, I know that they create everything inside the software, so you're going to be able to create these quizzes, but they are not going to show you on how to send traffic. You're just going to share these to your social media, and you're not going to get that much traffic onto these quizzes, so you're not gonna get that much leads. That's why I gave you my second bonus, which is my paid traffic courses collection, where you learn how to use Google ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, Snapchat ads, and all sorts of advertisement that you can think about. My third bonus is gonna be access to Invisible Pro. Invisible is a software launched by Brendan Mace and Jono Armstrong. If you are familiar with the make money online niche, you know who Brendan Mace is and Jono Armstrong is. This software is going to allow you to automatically create landing pages and host them inside their own cloud-based system or their own cloud-based hosting. So you don't need to worry about hosting these landing pages. And they're gonna show you how to run a traffic using these solo ads. So you're gonna learn how to drive solo ad traffic to your quizzes and get tons of leads. My fourth bonus is gonna be access to my mega bonus bundle. Now, Brendan Mace has given me the license rights to all his products, so I can give away these bundle as my own, and I have decided to go all in and give you access to all these extra bonuses. So you're gonna get access to Urgency Suites Pro, Smash My Campaigns, Boomerang Buddy Pro, license rights to everything. So you're gonna get license rights to all Brendan Mace products. Yes, license rights to all Brendan Mace products. You're gonna be able to sell them as your own. We have Stomper, Stomper Pro, Take It Pro. We have this video right here where he's going to show you on how he went from $0 to $2,000 a day. Dozens of extra bonuses. You're going to click here and you're going to get more bonuses. We have done for you campaigns. We have anonymous money method, $1,000 commission system, stealth license rights, Octane Pro, Boomerang Buddy, and all this good stuff you're gonna get access to all these extra bonuses alongside your purchase as my fourth bonus. These are worth well over $5,000, but I'm just gonna throw these anyway if you pick up the front end because I want to over deliver. My fifth bonus is going to be access to all the vendors bonuses. Now these are the bonuses that the vendor gave to me to give to you. I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are going to be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all these extra custom made bonuses for you guys to get the maximum amount of value alongside your purchase. Now let's jump right into the sales page and see the claims made here before we take a look inside the cloud-based system. We have need more leads, traffic, and sales. You came to the right place. Revolutionary software uses cutting-edge auto lead generation technology to deliver leads on autopilot, bringing a deluge of subscribers, traffic, and sales. Never pay for traffic again. We have the sales video by Dan Ashendorf, which is the product creator. We have some bullet points, never seen before auto lead generation, blah, blah, blah. You can read all this stuff. I'm not gonna waste your time. We have some more info about the product. We have some proof, as you can see, of sales. So you can drive traffic to your affiliate offers, e-commerce sites, maybe your stores. I don't know. You can promote whatever you want. The possibilities are endless. We have some more info about the product here. We have the steps that you need to do. So register, we have activate and profit. It's as simple as that. And we have some more info about the product. I'm not gonna go and check the whole sales page because it's gonna take a long time. As you can see, it's a long sales page. You can check it out at your own time and read more info about the product. Let me just jump right into the members area. So first we have the trending topics right here, where it's gonna go ahead and siphon the most trending topics on social media. So you can check around on these topics right here, all the different famous or trending hashtags on different social media. And what you can do is you can go ahead and create content based on these different topics. So we have the categories here. You can choose the category. You can add a category. Let me just view this category. As you can see, this is the Done For You website where you get the quizzes and all that good stuff. Let me just go to quizzes and show you how this is gonna look like. So the spider quiz, this is a pre-done, pre-made quiz. So people are gonna come here and they're gonna click on start quiz, and once they start quiz, they're gonna go through the quiz, and somewhere inside the quiz they're gonna be asked to put their email, and you're gonna be able to gather leads inside of here on the my list section. So we have the posts, we have the editor. You can create posts and edit them. You can create posts from scratch, so you can add text block, you can add media and all that good stuff. It's really cool. They give you a Done For You website basically filled with quizzes. We have the posts right here, we have the templates and all that good stuff. If you want to learn how to use this, just go to training and support and you can watch the training on how to use the software. It's really simple. They show you on how to do everything. We have your own website, the walkthrough, the auto lead generation personality quiz. We have the auto lead generation trivia quiz, the daily trending topic finder, downloading your leads using the image editor, setting up your pages using the hashtag generator, and you can join their Facebook group if you want to ask some questions, or if you have any questions whatsoever, you can join the Facebook group and contact the support right there. So it's really cool. Like I said, we have the articles, the SEO tags, the hashtags, the subscribers. So we have some email subscribers. These are just a test from the vendors. They have subscribed to make sure that the website is working. Please excuse the noise in the background. like I said. So it's really cool software. It's not complicated at all to use. Just watch the uh, just watch the videos right here, and you'll be able to learn how to use this. So as simple as that. So we have the lists right here. Let me just go to all the lists, and you can click on action. You can click on view to view the list. So 10 terrifying truths about Canadian residents. So this is a full article about Canadian residents, and people can come here and write. So this is basically a done for you blog where you can collect leads. It's really cool. I highly advise you to pick it up. You can watch the demo video. I'm gonna leave a demo video in my bonus page if you would like to learn more about Entice. Let me just talk to you about the pricing and the upsells here. So everything I just showed you for the front end is gonna be either $14 or $17. So the price is gonna go up, and the vendors are running a dime sale. So you have to get in as soon as you watch this video if you want to secure the best price possible. Like I said, it could be $14 or $17. Let me just show you a quick hack. If you are watching this later, like a day after this goes live, if you try to exit the page, it will give you a discount. So what you want to do is, once you come through to my bonus page, click on the button, go to the sales page, and when you try to exit, you're gonna get a $3 discount. So you're still gonna get it for you're still gonna get it for $14 and save $3. Don't tell anyone I told you this, because the vendors are gonna be mad, but I don't care. I want to secure the best price for you. So just do that, try to exit, and it will give you a $3 discount. The upsell number one is going to be the unlimited version. So you're going to get accelerated results. All the front end features are unlimited, plus more server and admin resources, premium support, and 3 action taker bonuses. This is going to be either $67 and it has a $47 down sale. So definitely, if you want to pick it up, go for the down sale for $47 and save a huge 20 bucks. Upsell number 2 is going to be Entice, done for you for $197 or $97 for the discount or for the down sale. Skip the trial and error using the done for you material, so you start seeing results from the traffic you generate with Entice. Interact with your leads generator to pull in leads, landing pages to sign up those leads, emails to turn leads into buyers, and bonuses to entice those buyers. So you're gonna get this for $197, but again, once you are hit with the upsell number 2, you can scroll down to the bottom and click on no thanks. Then it's gonna show up the down sale, which is the same exact thing for $97 and save a huge 100 bucks. Upsell number 3 is going to be the Entice traffic for $97, and it has a downsell for $67. Your customers will be adding their retargeting pixels to their sales pages. So you're going to be able to add your retargeting pixel on their sales pages that looks just like this one, and you can retarget all that traffic for literally pennies. So this is a no-brainer for me, but definitely go for the $67 one to get a discount. You're gonna be able to put your retargeting pixel in all those buyers that come to their sales pages in their next launches. You're gonna be able to retarget them with your offers, maybe send them to a landing page or another sales page, and you're gonna be able to land buyers for literally 10 or 20 cents per click. Upsell number 4 is going to be the reseller license for $97 or $67. You can sell Entice as your own and keep 100% of the profits. You're going to get all the materials and all the support team. Everything is done for you for $97. You can pick it up for the down sale price of $67. Again, this was my review of Entice. Thank you for watching this review, and if you stick around until the end, please subscribe and hit that bell notification for more upcoming review videos. If you have any questions, if you have any problems with the software, please contact the support. And if you have any questions regarding my review, please leave them down below in the comments. I answer each and every comment I see, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out.